Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us try to create a new application from scratch. Okay. I'll click the new application and then from scratch next, deactivate app next, and personal finance, personal finance, example, code icon, I'll select this icon, and create app. Now the application is creating, then we will create a module inside the application. Okay. We'll try to complete this one in 20 minutes, next 20 minutes. So we will create the category ID, category type. Okay. And then this is the starting entity, so we'll add the record like expenses. Okay. And the other one is income. Okay. Create two records and we will add an entity category category, and the attribute we will add the name. Okay, and category we will we will add one more attribute name category type ID. Okay, to differentiate what type of category this one, other expenses or income. And then we will add the another entity, my transaction. Okay, and attribute transaction date, and then one more attribute category ID. Yes, category ID. Okay, and then amount, and okay, I think that's enough. Get transaction date, category ID, and amount. Okay, perfect. If you want, we can add one more description or something. If you want to write something about these expenses, you can write. You can create one more attribute, but no need for now. Let's create the screens for these three tables or three entities. Now I will drag and drop these two entities here to create the four screens, two for the list and two for CRUD operations or add or edit. Okay, perfect. Now if you go to the interface main flow, we have four screens. So let's publish. So we completed 3 minutes 20 seconds. Wow. Okay, it's publishing now. Okay, because we moved these icons again, it's not showing the blue one. So we'll publish again. If you move anything, it will act as a change, and then again you have to publish. Okay. Open browser, this blue button means everything is published. Okay, now screen is initializing, ready and render. Okay, perfect. Oh, perfect. Save this and category. I will add the category like food. Okay, these are expenses. I'll add one more expense, shopping. Okay, and I will add one more expense, food, shopping, and what else? Entertainment. a lot of expenses like traveling. Okay, and then we will add category like salary is the income. Okay, perfect. Add one more income, investment returns as an income. Okay, perfect. Two incomes and four expenses. So let's start adding the transactions. First thing on 1st October, for example, if you see the salary, uh, 20,000 rupees. Okay, and then get another day we get the investment returns, for example, 30,000. Okay, perfect. So we receive this our income, and then transactions is then we went to shopping and buy 2,000 clothes, and then on another day, example, if you go for food, 2,500. So we have some expenses too for 4,500, and this is our income. Okay. Now let us try to create modify this page. Okay, and we are added already. So now we will create. Uh, we will divide the uh, invest. In, okay. First thing here, we will try to display one more column here to show that whether this is expenses or the income. Okay. So let's go to this screen, my transactions. Okay, and in the table, okay, first we will go to the aggregator here, and there is no category ID where we can show that this is expenses. Also, we will drag and drop here, and then we will go to the interface and go to the label. Sorry, go to the table and the tree, and then here add new column. Okay, here column, we can copy this and just change name type, and as well as in the row just go here and copy the container and change the expression to get my transaction current, my transaction or category type and label. Okay, this one, perfect. Now it will display the expense type. Just click here, go to the styles and make the center, and for here also center. Okay, perfect. Now just publish and see what is the output. Okay, finish 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Okay, we're almost done. Open in browser. Refresh. Okay, my transaction. Okay, this is income and this is expenses. Now we want to divide this one into two grids. First grid will show the income and the second one will show the expenses. Okay. Okay, let us go to the my transactions, and here go to the table, and first we will change the name for get my expense, my income, for example. Okay, my And what we will do, we will just copy, and for this we will filter by category type, by transactions dot category, category type dot id equal to entities dot category type dot, this is income. Okay, perfect. So we are listing here only the income. Refresh. Okay, perfect. And then we will copy this one and paste, and we'll change the name my expenses. Okay, and then we go to the filter and change here instead of income we will put expenses. So now we will get only the expenses. So now we have two aggregator with different data, but only one screen which is showing the table of income. Okay. So go to the widget tree and select this all and make enclose in container, and then we will add one more container, and like this one, screen title we put here and say my expenses, and here my income list, my expense list. Okay, okay. And then we will add one more container here. Okay, this is all comes in the design. Okay, let's drag and drop, and now we will select the get my expenses. Okay, perfect. And we will remove this because no need for the type to show, because it's already showing the income. So all will be type income only, so no need to show this one. So let's go to this table, widget tree, and the table row delete cell. Okay, perfect. So the first table will show the income list, and the second one the expense list. Let us see. We finished 12 minutes. Still we have 13 minutes. So we have 7 minutes left. So let us see what we can do in 7 minutes. Okay, very good, excellent. The expenses is here and the income is here. Okay, one more thing we can do very fast, like no, it's okay. I thought to make it some, I think no need, but instead of that we will try to add one dashboard. Okay, add screen, here dashboard sample. We can take this one transaction as a dashboard. We have 6 minutes left, including the menu. Okay, okay, including create screen. So it creates the screen here. So this one, but it is a default. It's like a template. So we will. It's not implemented. See, so we will move to the screen transaction. My transactions detail. Okay. and transaction ID will be null identifier. Okay, and here we'll see the aggregator. This is all default, so we have to change this one uh, with our database. Okay, this sample transactions on all those things, so we will remove this one. Before that, we will drop this our transactions. Okay, and then filter. We don't have sample transaction. Yeah, transaction date. Okay, transaction date. Okay, it is showing the last 7 transactions, 7 days transactions, and is okay. Before date and get lost transactions. It's all, we don't need this one. It's also coming from the sample. So just put our transactions and remove everything from here. What's this one? Oh, okay. Let me add again. Delete, 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 delete. Okay. Now everything is showing there. So, okay. Okay, what else? This and so much. Transactions, data amount. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, in this chart, actually, this chart is showing the last 7 days transaction list, and here the label my transaction. Instead of date, we have transaction date. Okay, and instead of balance, we have transaction dot amount. Here also to date, we have my transaction dot date 17 minutes. Okay, perfect. And here get this one out. So, what's this one? So market. Get this one time. Get this month spent. Transaction date. So we need to go for transaction. Remove. Remove. Here. Transaction date. Transaction date. Close. Source. Delete. Delete. Okay. Go to the others. Here there's okay. Table. Open the category. Okay. We'll drop the category also. Category time and category time. Okay. Perfect. Okay. And here category time, category dot name, or category time, and the amount. And the tip here. The amount will be the amount. Okay, perfect. And here transactions. This we don't need this one. Oh, what is here? Okay, first transactions. Okay, so I think here transaction date. Okay, then expression. There's no description for transaction. Yeah, amount. Just will display the amount here. Okay, this one we will delete. Try. Oh, this one. We will delete this one. Okay, this one. Two. Delete this one. Okay, get lost transaction list current my transaction. Lost transactions. Drop the category. Then go to the interface. Then here. Label. What was there? Transaction dot amount. Okay, perfect. It's 23 minutes, but alhamdulillah we finish 3 to 4 minutes extra. But we end up with a good project. Like we have a screen for adding a categories and screen for adding a transactions, and we have the dashboard itself. So within a very short time we created a very good application. Like it is showing income and expenses. Okay, so we can define here the instead of showing the income in the chart, we can show like categories where we spent, what this month is spent. So here it should be the category type, sorry, category, not the category type. Here if you go here, category, instead of category we have to display the category name. Yes, see now the difference. Even here also. So now it will show the each category and then for the expenses. So this is the dashboard. Okay, salary, investment returns, shopping. But it is showing the income also here and the month is spent. So if you want to show only the expenses in this box, then this month is spent type should be filtered by expense type by transaction type dot id equal to entities dot category type dot expenses. Okay, publish. It will show where you spent in the shopping, how much, in the food, how much, like this. Let's refresh. Okay. Okay. This is 4,500. Last transaction total 54,000. It includes the income and the expenses. You can change it, filter. You can filter if you want to only show the income or if you want to only show the expenses. You can. Here in this area, the circle is showing the shopping and the food. Like if you want to add more transactions, okay, like if you spent on the entertainment 3,000, then it will show you the dashboard three categories: entertainment, you spent food, shopping, like this. 2,000 on the shopping, entertainment, and 3,000, 2,500 and food, like this. So thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.